close out. And now, Jen, you have to close out and say goodbye.
Bye, Hove.
You had a good time?
Yes.
And where are we going now?
Munich.
Munich. München. Say, check it out. Say it again.
München. Check it out. My foot was stuck.
Your foot?
My foot.
Oh, hood. Can you take this for a second? Thank you. All right. Yeah. I'm good. Thank you. Steps are very big.
What?
The steps here are very big. Right? Yeah, well, I saw your facial again.
My foot was stuck.
Hood, you're underneath the thing. No, we're at 32, so... Oh, we're gotta go all the way in and make a right.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm all right. It's drizzling. How's the back of my knapsack look? Is it open or anything? Let me get ahead of you. All right. All right. People have to stop right here. Let's go. That's why you need wheels. I see you.
Aber der Zitrone sehr unangenehm ist.
You okay? Okay. We'll be there. Should be there in like 20 minutes, 15 minutes. All right.
I'm fine.
Okay.
No rush.
All right. Remember where you are, right? Remember. You know how to get back to the locker?
We're in Manhattan.
Yeah. Penn Station, not so much. It's a little crazy like it though. Right?
Yeah, it's the weekend.
Yeah, everyone's coming back from somewhere, right?
You gotta go that way.
Yeah.
Then to the right.
Across the
and then
street.
A left.
Across the street.
Across the street, and then a left.
Across the street, right and left.
Yeah. That's fine.
Was it quieter on Thursday, wasn't it?
That's why I said just, there's no need to rush. Just take our time.
Jesus Christ.
You all right?
Yeah, let's keep going. I'm good. Crazy. You're thinking you're like in an airport with those. That's what Europe, so they take so many more trains than we do. You know, like traveling, like with luggage, right? You notice that?
Oh, well, yeah, because it's closer, you know.
Yeah, but if you wanted to just go to Hull for a weekend, and if say we wanted to go to Hunter Mountain by train,
Right.
you couldn't just go there. You have to take a bus, and you know. I know. I'm just trying to get a thing on the trains too. Where did we get out from, Obi?
Right there. Right there.
We did, huh?
No, yeah, that's where we came.
Yeah, okay. You're right. I was looking at that one too.
I'm pretty sure you
Ice train. Huh? You can. But we're going across that way, so why go that way around? You know what I mean?
Züge zwischen München Hauptbahnhof und Dorfbahnhof wegen Bauarbeiten. Für die ausfahrenden Züge verkehren Busse am München Straße. Zwischen München Hauptbahnhof
want help with that?
I got a railing. As long as there's a railing, go to the one on the left. It's close and there's no people there. Okay. That way, right? Yeah.
What?
See the Fleming Hotel in the corner?
Oh, yeah.
Well, see and hope they follow more of the rules. Here they don't. Come on. Come on. Come on. And there's no car coming, rail car, so you could... This one you want to wait for, you know? Look, there's taxis all over here.
Okay.
And there's a cab right there in the corner. Here we are, Zeitlager. That sucked.
Thank God that guy was there. I wouldn't be able to zip that up by myself.
No, I would have taken it off. Good, it's working so far. See, I made a folder. Come on, can you get ready? Open box door, open door. Click open box, click open door. Sorry, hon. All right. So you guys, this is the coolest thing ever. Woo! Zeitlager. Right up the block from the train station. Which one are you?
3032. Right? I think it was.
Leaving out, empty my box. The rental ends automatically tomorrow. Whatever. Let's open it. And voila. Okay. Do you need? I have to take this off of me. No, I guess not. Jen's a strong, stubborn woman. I could have helped you, you know. I don't know why you waited for me.
These are like so light. I think I should put the beers in.
If that helps, yes. Do it. You could do it now.
All right, you want to open up? I think it was 011.
030. 11. That's it. Slide, give it 30 seconds, it says. Look at that. Oh my God. That is fantastic. Oh, there's nothing in this. Wait, this thing is like air. And when you get a chance, you can take my glass on, might need. I just give these guys a tour, extra large. These are big. They're not labeled yet. These are brand new. These are all extra large too. Oh, look at the ones for the snowboards or ski boards. I'm locking this, right?
Yeah. Oh my God. What happened here now?
I should just put my bag in. That's perfect. Put the whole thing in. Put the whole thing in there. Lay your beard down and just, yeah. Hell to the hill, yes. Look at that. We did have all that room.
Yep, I told you.
All right. Check it out. Lost everything on the fucking street. Ooh, sorry, I'm cursing. I lost my GoPro.
Dirty glasses.
It's opening up again. Tommy, it's all opening up again. Well, we're not going far, so.
You want to give me a...
Dankeschön. Darling, Dankeschön. Oh, that was a crummy feeling. Hey, a medium locker. I think this one might be broken or they left it open. I don't know if you guys could see that, but not mine. Okay, there's cameras everywhere, so if you guys look, there's cameras all over this place.
This.
We are going to, where are we going? Maximilian Munich apartment and Maximilian Munich apartment and hotel. You done?
Yeah.
Wow, this place was awesome. Right? Wait, you got more. That's it, kids.
There's one.
Yeah. There it is.
There's two. Okay. Let's go.
We need a cab. Right there with the hat, right?
No.
All right, come on.
Go.
You're waiting for. I have this pain in the ass one. It's hard.
All right, so get it.
I don't like it.
Okay.
Then give me yours. Give me mine. That's easier for me to do too. I have better wheels. Do you want a van one or do you want a car one? Which one?
It doesn't matter.
Oh my God. There's no one in there. There's a guy down there. Come on, I see the windshield wipers on. Taxi, taxi. Come on, taxi. Who wants to drive? Yeah. Oh, down there?
Yeah, come.
Too big?
Yeah. What do you want?
Maximilian Hotel and apartment.
Maximilian apartment, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, flip it.
Possible.
Put that inside in the middle.
Or you can...
Maybe the van. You take the van.
Okay, you can sit down. I take this one.
Oh yeah, okay.
Okay, so...
Thank you. Okay. In a few minutes, it's gonna be a nice warm place, cozy.
Oh, wow. Who's this?
Huh?
Who's this?